Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Miranda, and if you're new to my channel, welcome all. Today I'm going to do something different. I ordered from Pup? No, that's not it. Color Pop. It's late. It's late already, so I'm tired. Sorry, I'm so sorry. And also, it's my first impressions. I've never seen them or tried them on before, so I kind of went into it blindly when I ordered, and so it'll be my first impressions of it, and I wanted to compare it to maybe like a drugstore, a brand that I've been using for a while that I thought was, you know, okay, and we'll see how it kind of compares to that. Also, I ordered from Tarte, and I kind of wanted to show you guys what I got because I was pretty excited about it. So we'll kind of start with that, and then we'll do the Color Pop right after this. So this is from Tarte, and I wanted to show you how well they wrap their stuff. Like, look at this tissue paper. I could even use that and pretend like I wrap something with Tarte and freak somebody out, but I mean, that's nice, and it's like a lot way in there. So I ordered, put that down there, I ordered the magnet palette because we get a lot of things from Ipsy that are kind of like free floating and you need a place for them. So I ordered this. It's upside down. So I ordered this, and I thought it was like, on the picture, I thought it was like half the size. So I was quite surprised, and it's like, these little things kind of move around, but it looks like we're having a party. It's quite cool. And then inside, you've got the big magnet thing here, and it's got like a really awesome mirror. I don't know how to like, anyways, it's a really big mirror. So that, I got it for $12. So I mean, yeah, I'm pretty excited about that. So I wanted to show you guys that and kind of do a shout out to Tarte. You guys did awesome. Yeah, love it. So, what was I thinking here? This is the box. And then you open it up. Oh, it's so pretty. So pretty. And they like pack their stuff quite well. Like everything's in bubble wrap. So that's cool. So, how exciting! I'm so excited. I've heard really good things. So I kind of got, you know, I like my browns. I like my browns, and I like pinks, and I like orangey kind of colors. So I got this one. How cute is this? Look at the packaging. The little kitty. So cute. And the packaging is so adorable. So that's what it looks like. And it's my first time using this, so I have no idea. What are these called again? They are Super Shock Shadows. So they've got, like, if you go into the website, they have tons of things you can choose from. But I've heard the most reviews about their Super Shock, that it's like, oh crazy. It's like creamy and creamy. Wow. So let's do a swatch of this. And wow, look at how beautiful that is. That's gorgeous. So this one is Puppuccino. I thought it was a cat, but it's a puppy. Look how adorable is that? Okay, let's do one of these pink ones here. And this one is in the color Bubbly. That's me, Bubbly. So that's the color. There. Do a clean finger here. Oh, it is so weird. I've never felt like it's like creamy and it's not dusty at all. Like there's no dust. So let's go and do that. That one didn't show as much, but it's quite like in real life. Looks like you can layer them quite well. Oh yeah. Wow, okay. I'm in love. Might have to order more. My husband's gonna kill me. Okay. Let's just do one more. Unless you want to see them all. This one is in Elixir. And it's kind of like a burgundy kind of color. And this one's in a matte. I just find you don't get a lot of mattes in like your palettes. And because I'm a little bit older, I know, you need more mattes when you're older, whereas when you're like in your 20s, you can get away with wearing tons of glitter everywhere. And these are great for like, mattes are great for, you know, doing blending and stuff like that. So, I just can't get it. I just want to like sit and swirl it. So again, this is kind of like a burgundy color. Ooh. Ooh, it's so pretty. Wow. Okay. Wow. That is nice. Okay. So I wanted to do a comparison. I've been using, I kind of chose a palette that kind of had like similar. So this one's called Blush Nudes by, I think I just got stuff all over me. Yeah, whatever. The Blush Nudes by Maybelline. And as you can see, if I open it up here, I don't wanna, there we go. I've used like a lot of these, so let's kind of choose colors that are similar. Let's go for this one here. Okay. And I wanted to show, like, see the difference in like, where'd that go? That one there. So that one isn't too bad, and that was kind of a similar in there. Let's do this pink one here. And I think you can kind of see like they're not as pigmented. I'm just gonna do, because my fingers are all dirty on here. Every time I'm in the middle of filming, my camera dies. Sorry. Okay. Down that thing. Okay. It's late. It's so late. Okay. Two more. I just wanted to show you two more. Okay. This one's kind of a nude. This one's kind of a pink. This one's another pink. And this one's kind of like a brownie color. But you can kind of see that ColourPop definitely is a lot more pigmented than this one and the last two down here. And I thought I was doing good with this thing, and I find even with like the brush, a lot doesn't come off the brush. So you can definitely, you know, you kind of get what you pay for. I think I may have paid like $9 for this like whole thing. And I guess when you're ignorant because you had no idea. I'm just using Walmart stuff and whatever, blah blah blah. But this ColourPop stuff is amazing. Like, I just can't get over these colors here. Just, you can't, like, this one's kind of like glittery. You can kind of see a little bit, but I mean, wow, those are amazing. So that's kind of the comparison between the two. I'm not bashing it, I'm just saying if you like nudes and you don't like heavy makeup, and I don't like heavy makeup, I like things to show up a little bit, maybe try and order from ColourPop. I mean, these are $5. Actually, I think I got these on sale, so they were like $3 something, which is amazing. And there's a lot of color in there that's gonna last me forever. I don't wear makeup like all week long, so I mean, I've had this thing forever, and I've barely, like, I mean, I've dented a little bit, I've never gone down to the metal part, so these are gonna last me forever. And I'm probably gonna order more, and I'm gonna have it till I'm 90. Oh, whatever, my kid's gonna have it. Oh yeah, I have all boys. Okay, their grandkids can have it. I'm already planning it already. So yeah, that is my first impressions of ColourPop, and wow, I am totally amazed. And I mean, they put effort into like the little bottles. These are like, you can't tell, but these are really nice, like super nice. So I'm pretty darn excited about what I got. And the Tarte palette thing, if you don't have a Z palette or a magnet palette and you get Ipsy, go and order that thing because it's amazing. And they have other ones on there that you can choose from, but I just thought the one was cute and colorful and pretty. Alright guys, those are my impressions. I hope you guys are having a great evening. By the time I get this done, it'll probably be morning, afternoonish. So hopefully you guys are having a great, awesome day. And I actually, if you haven't stopped watching already, I'm sorry. I wanted to start doing some shout outs. So if you want your video or your, not your video, but your channel shout outs, leave a message down below, and don't forget to subscribe. I have some awesome giveaways, right? Giveaways, probably gonna put something there, but yeah, giveaways coming up, so don't forget to do all that awesome stuff and to write a comment, because I love reading your guys' comments, and I'm trying to answer about everybody's. Not that I get a lot, but I mean, you know, time. Alright guys, we'll see you later, and we'll see you next time. Bye!